So if we want to just the for purpose of pass marks only, you have to select any two black, any easy two black, any easy, either black one or black three, black one, black two, black one, black four, as your wish. But getting good score, you should read each and every black. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's discuss the first unit, that is the water plant relations. Water plants relation, just give the concept water plant relations. Already told you where are the water first. Just wait. Uh, Someone asked device name. So what is my device name? Okay, I will change later. But first we should learn about the water plant relations. In this context, first we should learn the water properties, the most important property of water potential activity. So what is water potential? First, we should develop water potential. So what water potential simple, the water potential is a concept of fundamental to understanding of water movement. Understanding of water movement. That's what. Let's take the another image.
So your
Image.
name is showing like as of your name phone name, sir. Redmi Note
Okay,
9.
okay. I will change later. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So water potential. Just wait. Is not where it is. Right. So the water potential is a concept of fundamental to understanding of water movement. So, yeah, they are actually in water potential, it is denoted with psi W or psi W or psi in this book, this in this slide. Let's take where is spell. Okay, right, psi or psi W, water potential denoted by psi or psi W, and in water potential mainly based on two components. One is solute potential, psi S here given solute potential, and another one is pressure potential, psi P. They are the two main components that are determine the water potential. Actually, the water molecules possess kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Water molecules have the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy means they can move random motion, movement from one place to another place. So that property should consist in water potential, water, right? So just remember, water always moves from high water potential to low water potential. Here given already. Just wait. Right. The water will move from area of high water potential to low water potential. Area of high water potential to low water potential. Right. So first of all, the where is high water potential and where is low water potential? First, you should develop that one. Actually, this is clear. First, water potential. Water potential just it is a concept fundamental to understand water movement. Just that is fundamental of water movement. Actually, the water movement to move from high water potential to low water potential. Right. When the low water potential form, when the high water potential form. The simple. For example, let me take water potential, pure water zero, value zero, pure water value zero. So this pure water can move randomly distributed any area. That is the property of water, right? From this pure water, if you add solute concentration, solutes, if we add solutes, if we add solutes, what happen automatically? The free movement of water. The first of all definition water potential free movement. That water, that is pure water, if we add any solutes, then immediately the movement of water decrease. Movement of water decrease. That means that low water potential. That means it is low water potential and the value should be negative. The water potential value should be negative. If we add any solute, for example, just imagine the take glass of water and the glass of water just pour the biscuit powder and stir it well. While you increasing biscuit powder, the biscuit powder is the solute. Biscuit powder is solute. While you add increasing biscuit powder, the movement of the water decrease or increase. Hello? Just imagine first take glass of water, take spoon and stir it well. Later, they add biscuit powder dissolved in water, same glass of water and stir it spoon. Where the spoon move freely.
No, sir.
Where that means in glass of water, the spoon moves freely without powder, with powder.
Without powder.
Yes, without powder. Right. Because there here the free movement of water high. When you add solutes, automatically the free movement decrease. Free movement of decrease. That's why you unable to stir it well. Right? Right? Okay. So that is called solute potential. So just discuss one by one. First, water potential clear. Please be silent. Hello. Thank you. So hello, please. The water potential, free movement of water, right? The actually water potential determined by two components. One is solute potential psi s, another is pressure potential. I think solute potential clear. What is solute potential? Solute potential means if we add solutes to water, automatically the water free movement decreasing. That is called solute potential. What is the value of solute potential? Negative or positive? That means in solute potential, water movement decrease or increase?
Decrease, sir. It's negative.
Decrease. So it would be negative. So another component, what is the another component? One is clear, one is computer, solute potential clear. Another one is pressure potential. Do you have book with you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Just open it and watch. Observe the content. So the second component, pressure potential. In the name itself, give the pressure. When pressure increase, if we add solvent, not solute, already pure water there, the pure water you add again solvents, not solutes. What will happen if you add solvents? If you add solvents, what happen? Free
It
movement
can
increase or decrease?
decrease, sir. It should be negative.
Don't get confusing with two words, solvents and solutes. Solvents are liquid, solutes are solids. Is it clear first?
Yes, sir.
In first component, solute potential, in solute potential, we add water to solutes only, solids only. If you dissolve solids in water, what happen? Automatically water movement decrease. The value should be negative. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So in pressure potential, it is denoted by psi p, denoted by psi p. Pressure potential mean if you add solvents, not solutes, solvents means add another water, extra water to the already existed water. What happen if you give more water, more and more water to the already existed water? Just assume the free movement of water decrease or increase?
It increased, sir.
Yes, increase, because there is no solutes, only solvents. Only solvents. That means water molecules, only increasing water molecule. Increasing water molecule means increasing free movement. So the value should be positive.
Positive.
Value should be positive. Positive. Right? So the formula of water potential, psi s plus psi p. Actually, we should write like this also. Water potential, always the solute potential negative, so minus psi s, and pressure potential always positive, psi p. Psi p also. This is the water potential formula. Is it clear first? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just only two things you should remember. If some solute is dissolved in pure water, the solution as fewer free water. That means the movement of free water will be decreased, right? And the concentration of water decrease, and reducing its water potential. Hence, all solutions have lower water potential than pure water, right? Now tell me, the water potential always move high water potential to low water potential, right? Okay, is it okay first? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. I am asking just simple question to you. This is A cell, B cell. Are you able to see the boxes A and B?
Yes, sir.
Right. Actually, A cell water potential value 1. B cell water potential value -2. Now tell me water movement A to B, B to A. Where is high water potential? Already given the value. Water potential A cell 1, B cell -2. Which value high in this? Hello?
-2, sir.
Huh?
One, one,
Yes, 1. -2, low. So now tell me, according to water potential, water movement from.
from 1 to -2.
That means which cell to which cell?
From A to B.
Right, from A to B. That's it. So this is water potential. Right? Any doubt in this water potential?
No, sir.
Right. Next, osmosis. Osmosis and plasmolysis. Actually, these two already completed in practical classes. Plasma already plasmolysis experiment there. First in it. Did it complete or not? Plasmolysis experiment.
Yes, sir.
What you observed in plasmolysis experiment? Hello? What you observed in plasmolysis experiment? Did you demonstrate or not first? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, our classes have started from today only, sir.
Okay. This is last batch. What about first and second batch? No one there? First and second batch student. Plasmolysis experiment. Should I explain now? Theory? Plasmolysis. What is plasmolysis?
Sir, if it is covered in practical, no need to cover, sir. We will go further.
Okay, thank you. Right. The next what next topic? After osmosis or plasmolysis, what is the next one? I think water movement.
Imbition is there. Imbition.
Imbibition. Okay. Imbibition. The simple imbibition, it is a special type of diffusion. When water is absorbed by solids or colloids, causing them to enormously increase in value. Just assume if you just take a seed, the seed placed inside the water during night time, the observe the day next morning. What will you observe? What would you observe when the seed placed in water? The 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, what happened?
It increases in volume, sir.
Right, just that's it. Increase in value. So the in this process, the waters are absorbed by seed. Like that, we the same observation we should observe in dry food also. So you might have observed in the some doors, windows. It is very difficult to close during rainy season and winter season. Because in rainy season, winter season, actually the atmospheric water can absorb. As a result, it somewhat volume increasing the property. Some volume increase. As the volume increase, it is unable to close the door. Right? So that is the
Yes.
concept of imbibition. So first of all, imbibition is the type of diffusion. Right? Imbibition. Right. Is it clear first?
Yes, sir.
Just just understand the definition. Definition simple. It is one type of diffusion. What happen in diffusion? What happen in diffusion? Uh, just wait here. Imbibing properties. Okay, right. For example, what the best example here? Mm, yes, proteins have a very high imbibing capacity compared to carbohydrates. Just assume one. I would like to give two example to you. I will give you two seeds. One is rice. Another one is pea seed. Both seeds
Pea
placed
seeds will
inside
take
the
more
water.
water, sir.
Right, placed inside water after 5 to 6 hours. Which one? The which seed value increase?
Pea seeds, sir.
Right, pea seed value increase because the pea seed they have mostly it is made up of protein. So actually in this the proteins have high or very imbibing capacity compared to carbohydrate. In rice, mostly carbohydrate, of course, protein also present, but when compared with the pea, low protein. But in pea, high protein, low carbohydrate. But in rice seed, only high carbohydrate, low protein. That's it. Is it clear? Imbibition.
Yes,
After
sir.
imbibition, next one.
Absorption of water, sir.
Right, absorption of water. Just uh, where is water? Water in underground, right?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Right. Just let's take diagram visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Of course, plasma desmata.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. So here, the first, how do plants absorb water? We know that the roots absorb the most of the water that goes into plants, right? So actually in root system, which part can absorb the water? In root system, actually tap root, lateral roots, and finally rootlets end with. Here the rootlets absorb the water. So the absorption also based on osmosis, the based on water potential capacity. Water potential based on water potential, water moves into the plant because because the groundwater and plant water. That means plant water means inside the plant cell water. Where is high water potential? Where is high water potential in ground or in plant cell? Hello. Just assume you take the plant root cell and groundwater, where high water potential. Simple, where the food material prepared in ground or inside the plant. Hello?
Inside the plants.
Inside the plant. Food material means carbohydrate, glucose, sucrose. Actually, where they are prepared, in which part they are prepared.
The phloem, xylem and phloem, sir.
No, I am asking just part, not internal. External part, in which external root or shoot or leaf.
Roots, sir.
Leaf only. After preparing the food material, as you said, with help of the phloem, they can translocate from one place to another place, which means from leaf to stem, stem to root. So these solutes are translocate and finally reach each and every cell. That means in root, each and every cell, solutes are there. What about the underground water? Is there any solutes? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
Right, underground just pure water. If you take the plant cell, as the photosynthesis takes place, as the food material prepared, the solutes are formed. Already told you, when the solutes add water, automatically the volume decrease. That's why the water potential value decreases. According to the definition, the water move from high water potential, that means from groundwater, to the low water potential into the plant root cell. Plant root cell. Okay. Anyway, after absorption, the water can move two ways. It can move deeper into root layers by two distinct pathways. One is apoplast pathway, second one is symplast pathway. Right? You can see in red line in this diagram. Are you follow? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The apoplast movement. First, let's discuss apoplast movement. The apoplast is the system of adjacent cell walls. So the movement through apoplast, the water move through the cell walls. That is continuous throughout the plant, except the Casparian type. Here, except the Casparian. Casparian type is the part of endodermis. Except the Casparian type through the cell walls. I will show you later where the Casparian bond. Okay. So anyway, just remember the apoplastic movement, water occurs exclusively through the intercellular spaces and the walls of the cells. Two, intercellular spaces. Intercellular space means the cell to cell between the gap between the cell, that is called intercellular space. Through intercellular space, the water moves, and also through the cell walls also water move. The movement through the apoplast does not involve crossing the cell membrane. Remember it. Only wall layers are intercellular space. This movement is dependent on the gradient. The apoplast does not provide any barrier to the water movement, and water movement is through mass flow. As the water evaporates the intercellular space or atmosphere, the same tension develops in the continuous stream of water in apoplast, and the mass flow of water occurs due to the adhesive and cohesive property. I will explain later what is adhesive and cohesive. Just remember the words adhesive, cohesive property. So anyway, if the water evaporates, then the same way through the apoplast manner, the mass flow of water move upright direction through the hello. How the water move through apoplast manner?
Cell
Through
wall, sir.
Right,
cell.
cell wall or intercellular space. Remember it. If you observe the diagram, in diagram only cell wall layers water move. Only cell red line. Just observe the red line. I will show later another diagram. First of all, apoplas clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, symplastic movement. Second, green line. Is it visible to you, green line?
Yes, sir.
The symplastic system, it is the system of interconnected protoplast. Interconnected, that means actually the interconnected protoplast by plasma desmata. During symplastic movement, water travels through the cells, remember, through the cells, especially their cytoplasm, through the plasma desmata. So intercellular movement is through the plasma desmata. Actually, this is, if you take in this diagram, two cells are there. In two cells, green line. Where is green line? The green line inner side of the cell. The green line present in cytoplasm, not cell wall, not between the cell. So this is moved through the plasma desmata. Actually, plasma desmata is the connection between the two cells. So the water movement through the plasma desmata only. And water has to enter the cells through the cell membrane here. But in apoplast, there is no cell membrane. But here the water enters cells through the cell membrane. And the water movement is relatively slower when compared with apoplast. Because apoplast only cell walls and intercellular space. Right? And the symplastic movement may be aided by cytoplasmic streaming. Okay? That means cytoplasm with help of cytoplasmic strand or plasma desmata. And where is high movement? Only apoplastic movement is high. But symplastic low because it is inner movement through the plasma desmata movement. That's why it is very slow. And I would like to share another diagram this way. Is it clear? Diagram, hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. In this diagram also, you can observe the apoplastic route. Pink line. The pink line, apoplast, actually this is the root line. Let's take pen. This is rootlet. This is actually rootlet, root A. The root A first pink line through the epidermis, cell wall, after epidermis, cortex cell. So this is up to reach the only Casparian. Actually, this Casparian, the Casparian does not move through this is Casparian strip, red color Casparian. Already told you, in apoplast movement, water does not move through the Casparian walls. Up to Casparian walls, the movement by apoplast movement. So later, if you see the blue line also symplastic movement. Symplastic movement through the cell to cell from inside cell. We can observe the plasma desmata here connection. Through the connections, it move and across the Casparian. Here you can see Casparian. But in apoplast movement, the where the Casparian cells are absent, from there only the water movement. But in apoplastic movement, through the Casparian cells also it can move. This is red color already told you, this is Casparian stripe. Through Casparian stripe also, water can move. Right? Hello? If you see this here, pink color reach up to Casparian stand. But inside the Casparian, which color appear? Hello? Here. Inside the Casparian, which color appear?
Blue color, sir. That is
Blue color
symplastic.
means? Blue color means?
Symplastic phase. Pathway.
Symplastic. One place symplastic. So anyway, after enter the xylem, from xylem only apoplast. Because why xylem only apoplast movement? That means well developed xylem. Xylem mostly 99% apoplast movement. Why? Why xylem shows apoplastic movement? Here the both end with pink color, right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. Here both end with xylem vessels xylem. Pink color, only end with pink color. That means it's from the pink xylem, root xylem to the shoot xylem to the leaf xylem. Finally evaporate. Because actually xylem cells are inside the well developed xylem cells, xylem vessels. In xylem vessels, there is no cytoplasmic stand. There is no cytoplasm. Apoplast only move through the cytoplasm. But in xylem cells, no cytoplasm. Actually, they are the dead cells. As the dead cells, only the water move through the cell walls from xylem vessels, one cell wall layer to another cell wall layer. That means involved only